February 12th, which is today, you will receive an email on Sunday, February 12th, confirming next step. Okay, so literally, this is going to be open all day. If y'all can see that. So I'm waiting. Today is Sunday, February the 12th, which is Rihanna's day for Super Bowl. But we're going to be waiting for Renaissance updates. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi loves, in today's video I will be putting on this U-part wig that I made. If you are interested in how to do that, I will link that video below. So this was the night before Super Bowl Sunday, which was Rihanna's Sunday, and I'm just going to show you that you can actually use your U-part just like a sew-in. If you don't want to go through the hassle of getting your hair braided down and sewed down, this is a great alternative. And I got this inspiration from JT. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with JT. Forever since she's been home, I've just been so obsessed. She's glowed up so much. Always been a beautiful girl, black girl, but just extremely more gorgeous to me. So yeah, I will just be showing you how I vamp this V-part wig and try to emulate her hairstyle in this video. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that. And then I do some Valentine shopping towards the end and ship a wig off for a friend who's also a client. So stay tuned for that. Girl, I like to wear my hair the same way all the time, cause baby girl, I like to wear my hair the same way all the time, cause baby girl, that shit's so flat on JT head. Girl, I don't know, I'm about to give up. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now it's for these little bitty hairs on my perimeter, because oh my god, her hair is laid down so good. I don't understand how they did it, but I'm very much scared. We gonna try to make it work without burning ourselves. Okay, so this is my hair here. Okay, this is the track there.
I mean, don't put the notes on.
I really do believe it came out really pretty. I just left the roller up there because this hair is just too long to curl. I mean, it can hold a curl if I like flexi rod it or do these big rollers in it. I'm loving JT's earrings. I am on a search for these earrings. I will find these earrings, dead or alive. So I did put a couple curls in it, but they're already dropped. And I just threw on this skirt with my bodysuit just to do this video because I am not going anywhere. I just threw on some rings and my heart earrings. And that's it. I'm probably gonna curl it tonight because the baby hairs came out so good. To again, get you some hairspray to do your baby hairs because my hairs are very short around my edges because my hair kind of fell out around there. And this is just finishing spray, hole number 9. Okay, and it works so good. Like, my hair is not moving and they're not crusty and full of gook like gel. And yeah, I'm probably gonna curl this up again. Another look to do, which I want to try to get done tonight because I'm probably not dressing up for Valentine's. I just don't care like that. Like, we'll go get me some food and we'll probably do like a brunch breakfast, or I'll get like a brunch lunch and bring it home. I'm just not, I don't like to be outside with the crowd. So yeah, hope you like the look. But I do like this outfit. I just need a belt. I have this thing that you put on top of your head, but I mean, I like it, but I just don't feel like it's feasible for this hair, or at least just not for me, because I don't like things sitting on top of my head. So what I'm gonna do, so I don't have to take this out, and so I can like look like somebody tomorrow and the next day, I'm just going to put this flexi rod. So all I do is I just get all the hair together, and I'm probably curling this wrong, but to me it doesn't matter. And I'm just going to wrap this hair around here like so, pulling it really tight. Okay, and then as I get the last piece, I'm going to roll it back so that that hair is locked underneath there. Okay, and then I want to take this side and bend it back, and take this one over here and bend it in. And then that way the hair is out of my way on both sides, and functionally I can leave this in my hair tonight, unless I just get irritated and put it off in the middle of the night. But yeah, and then I can put my scarf on, and then for this little thing here, I'm just gonna roll it. It really wasn't holding a curl, I promise you, but it's just cute. So the black ones would have been better. This black one that everyone has been using that goes over your head, this is also good so that you don't have to put heat on your hair. But I didn't put any product in my hair, and I think this will give me like some nice waves for tomorrow. And so that's what I did, just put it up, and now I'm gonna put it in a scarf and go to watch the Super Bowl, because that's what's going on tonight. Okay, so I'm literally getting ready to do my carpool, but I curled it last night. Look at that curl. Look, I'm about to take this one down. Because my barrel curler, it curls, but look at the curl in my hair. Like, babe, look at the curl, the wave. Just from 2 flexi rods. Oh my God, look at this one, because this side got more hair. But my God, look. So this is what this hair is giving. And I just took everything off and down. My scarves and everything. So, wash my face, well, my skin. I gotta put on my sunscreen. And I'm gonna hit the road for today. Not the road, but do my errands, come back and work on this wig. And I'll see y'all in the next clip.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up tonight. See fire. Let you see stars. Let you elevate. Let you need life. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up.
Who got the keys to my
Fuck the night. What's in these 4 balls? Protecting my love. Don't miss this roll call. Did you hear a word? Show up, show up, show up, show up. Go up, go up, go up. You Mr. Nasty. I clean it up. But when nobody's there, but when nobody's there, have you ever had fun like this? I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Gonna sit on top of you. We gon' fuck up tonight.
Everything that fuck when I read.
Black lights, spaceship smiles.
Everything that fuck when I read. Everything that fuck when I read. Everything that
So I ended up getting the pink robe that was at Target. Not really into pink, and I got Ashton something to wear for Valentine's as well. So I'm just gonna throw this in the machine, and I'm about to run out really quick. I don't get the Beyonce thing this time because it wasn't this complicated, but I'm gonna just do what I did last time and order my tickets, and hopefully I'll go and I'll see you guys there. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.